Shutter, protecting the end users from malicious MEV. This demo shows how a shutterized encrypted mempool can provide the users the ability to encrypt transactions and shield themselves from front-running and sandwiching attacks. To the user, the experience of trading is pretty much the same as without the MEV protection. As usual, the user starts a trade on a platform. Let's say the user wants to trade some ETH for USDC. They choose the amount to trade and the transaction is constructed as usual. The transaction is then encrypted as a special shutter transaction and signed. On the back end, things get more interesting. First, the encrypted shutter transaction and the associated payload is sent. This is then passed on to the sequencer to be included in a block. For the user, this shows as any other transaction. They are waiting for their trade to go through. After the transaction has been completed, the sequencer receives the decryption key from the shutter keepers. The sequencer is then able to decrypt the transaction and complete the trade the user wanted to do. The transaction has been included in a block and the user can enjoy completing their trade without losing funds to the MEV attackers. Be sure to follow Shutter on X.